watch the way the votes are getting recorded for both Kejriwal and Modi. Now, consistently, if you watch, Modi's yes percentage is reducing and no percentage is increasing. I have been watching this since this morning. And for Kejriwal, the yes percentage is increasing and no percentage is decreasing consistently since morning. So, which means it is the Arvind Kejriwal supporters or their bots, a fraudulent way of voting, that are causing the S percentage to increase drastically like this. You know, it's almost like some automated machine that is running to increase the votes in this manner. And the no votes for Modi is also increasing like this based on the bots of Aam Aadmi Party, perhaps IT cell of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's continue to watch this for some more time. That is, the total number of reactions are increasing very fast. So as a result, what is happening? Is the S percentage for Modi increasing? Then you can say that it is Modi supporters who are voting drastically like this, or the bots, as alleged by some of the AAP supporters. Or if the total votes, total reaction increase like this, if it is resulting in a no percentage increase, then it means that the Modi opponents are using fake means to, get total reactions at this mind breathtaking speed. And the same goes through here also. If the S percentage increases based on this fast running meter, then it is the op supporters who are voting for this. And or if not the op supporters, the fake votes for op, which is happening like this. Let's see what happens. And you should also note down the timing. This is this is 22nd April, and Indian Standard Time. The time is 2:18. Looks like it is the genuine supporters of Modi versus the fake bots of AAP that is at competition. So yeah, now let's see this. Within a minute, the SO rating of um, Arvind Kejriwal rose from 75.6% to 75.7%, and the S rating for Modi decreased from 53.4% to 53.3%. So you know what this fast running meter means, that it is the no votes for Modi which is increasing, and the S votes for Arvind Kejriwal that is increasing. And this fast running meter shows that it is not the people who are voting in this insane manner. It is the automated bots that are actually doing the votes in both the cases, increasing the S votes for AAP and increasing the no votes for Modi. So please judge for yourself as to who are the fake voters and who are using the unfair means to increase the votes. Yeah. Now, as we speak, this Modi's rating decreased from 53.3% to 53.2. And let's see, this it was 75 point. It has increased from 75.6 to 75.7. In a minute or two, I think it should go up to 75.8. Let's see. Yeah, it increased now from 75.7 to 75.8. So you know who's doing the fake voting. Let's close this as of now.